Hello friends, welcome to my channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus, and to this video which is part 1 in the series on how to invest in international stocks from India, where I will share what you need to know in order to start adding stamps to your investing passport. Owning international stocks, the shares of the companies located outside your home country, can help diversify your portfolios, hedge against risk, and tap growth into the economies beyond your own. The US stock market is home to some of the best stocks in the world like Facebook, Google, Apple, General Motors, etc. Buying such stocks allows you to participate in their growth story while allowing you to diversify beyond the Indian stock market. So before I go ahead, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can just log in on YouTube with your email ID and click on the subscribe icon and share it with your family and friends. You can also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can take time to click on subscribe icon, like icon, and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers. I'm CA Ashima, a professionally qualified chartered accountant, a certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation specialist, specializing in tax, finance, IT, and audits. I have worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and have also worked as a senior financial consultant with a multinational and have also worked with corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. I have also worked as a freelance financial consultant. Investing in US stocks from India provides an opportunity to diversify one's investment portfolio and gain exposure to the world's largest stock market. With advancements in technology and increasing accessibility, investment in US stocks has become more feasible for individual investors all over the world. However, it's essential to understand the various options available and consider the best ways to invest in US stocks from one's home country. This video will explore some of the key avenues for Indian investors to participate in the US stock market, highlighting important considerations and potential strategies to help navigate the process. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting your investment journey, understanding the best ways to invest in foreign stocks can help you make informed investment decisions. Whenever we talk about stock markets in North America or around the world, the two major giants come to our mind, NASDAQ and NYSE. Many global brokerage firms allow investors from India to open international trading accounts. These accounts enable you to directly buy and sell US stocks listed on exchanges such as New York Stock Exchange, which is NYSE, or NASDAQ. If you invest in shares, you would also know which stock market that particular company is likely to be listed on. For example, suppose you are looking to invest in a technology-oriented or a specific company that has come up very recently and is slowly establishing itself with less capital investment. In that case, the company will most likely be listed on NASDAQ. On the other hand, suppose you are looking to invest in a company that has been there for a very long time, even before your parents were born, and has been running steadily over some time with huge capital investment. In that case, the company is most likely to be listed on New York Stock Exchange. Now let's understand how to invest in the US stock market from your home country, like it could be India. If you're wondering, can I invest in the US stock market or how to invest in US stocks? The answer is yes, you easily can. There are two distinct ways of investing in the US stock markets. You can invest in NASDAQ via direct or indirect investment routes. As per the direct routes, you can open an overseas trading account with a domestic or international brokerage firm. Alternatively, You can also start investing via the indirect route through mutual funds and ETFs. Now let's look into what are direct investments. How to directly invest in foreign stocks from India. You can invest in the US stock market directly by opening an overseas trading account with a domestic or a foreign broker. Be mindful of the charges before you pick up the best app to invest in US stocks. When it comes to direct investment options for investing in US stocks, there are a few avenues to consider. The first one is global brokerage accounts. Under this option, one can open an overseas trading account with a foreign broker. You can open an overseas trading account directly with a foreign broker with their presence in India. Many global brokerage firms allow investors from India to open international trading accounts. These accounts enable you to directly buy and sell US stocks listed on exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Research different brokerage firms to find out the one that suits your needs in the terms of fees, trading platforms, customer support, and account requirements. Some popular global brokerage options include Interactive Brokers, TD, Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, and Fidelity. The second is Indian brokers with global tie-ups. Another option is to open an overseas trading account with a domestic broker. Some Indian brokerage firms have partnerships or tie-ups with international brokerage firms. These partnerships provide Indian investors with access to global markets, including the US stock market. They act as intermediaries and execute their trades. You can open an overseas trading account with any such broker having tie-ups with international brokers such as ICICI Direct, HDFC Securities, Kotak Securities, and Axis Securities, and many more. You might have to submit a long list of documents to open this account. However, it is important to remember that this facility has some restrictions. Based on the brokerage firm, you might have some restrictions on certain investment vehicles or the number of trades that you can make, etc. Research Indian brokers that offer such services and check the terms and conditions, the fee, and available US stock listings. The cost of investing can be high considering brokerage and currency conversion charges. Hence, ensure that you know all that it costs before opening an account. Since the evolution of mobile apps for different types of services, there have been several apps launched by startups to help Indian investors invest in the US stock market. IntMoney is quite a popular platform these days that provides you with instant access to US stocks. One can open and activate your free Drive Wealth account on IntMoney platform so that you can make direct remittances from your native savings account to your US stocks wallet, which has now been activated. So on the Drive Wealth switch view, you can add money directly from your native savings account. Intraday trading in the US stock market from India may not be allowed in some of these apps due to regulatory requirements, but you can trade, buy, sell, receive dividends, or withdraw to your Indian savings account. But please be informed that this is not a paid promotion and I'm not recommending per se any particular app or platform here, but only sharing the information that all should know. So make sure that before investing, you do your due diligence as well. Before investing, consider some important factors. Research and due diligence. Thoroughly research the companies or ETFs you plan to invest in. Understand their financials, performance history, and future prospects. The second is currency exchange. Be mindful of currency exchange rates and associated costs when investing in the US stocks. Fluctuations in exchange rates can impact investment returns. The third is tax implications. Understand the tax regulations and implications related to investing in the US stocks as an Indian resident. You can consult with a tax advisor to ensure compliance with the relevant tax laws. The fourth is, as investing in the US stocks involves risk, it's advisable to diversify your investments, develop a long-term investment strategy, and stay informed about the market developments. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or brokerage representative who can provide guidance tailored to your investment needs and goals. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this video where we looked into the three options of how to directly invest in foreign stocks. Stay tuned for my next video in this series where we will look into the options that are available for indirect investments in foreign stocks. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status and other tax benefits on sale of property in India, which is relevant for residents as well, and other related videos for financial planning and investments, which are again, I would say, not relevant for NRIs, but for all others as well. I hope you all will benefit with the information shared in this video, and if you find this information useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends, and do share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So with that, I wish you all a happy investing. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.